Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today we're going to be looking at this Roku TV $10 replacement remotes. So yes, plural. These come in a pack of 2. You can find them on Amazon. The link for these will be down in the description. We are going to test these remotes out on 2 TCL TVs, a 32-inch and a 65-inch. And we're also going to test it out on a 58-inch on TV. Now just keep in mind that these are not compatible with stick and box devices. It says that it's only compatible for TCL, Hisense, ON, and Philips Roku Smart TVs. Alright, so this is what the packaging is going to look like. That's the brand there. We're going to open it up. Comes in another packaging. It even comes with the protective little plastic there. Looks like a brand new remote to me. Takes 2 AAAs. We got some of these Amazon AAA batteries. Amazon Basics. These will also be down in the description. Okay, we got volume on the side. All right, looks like that works. Home, down. Netflix. Says we're not connected to the internet. I'm gonna turn it off. Turn it back on. All right, this is a 32-inch TCL Roku TV. So, works for the TCL. All right, so this one's the TCL 65-inch. Press the power button, and it works for this TV also. Volume, mute. All right, guys, this is the ON 58-inch Roku TV. I believe ON is sold at Walmart. Amazon $10 remote. Works perfectly. Volume up. Mute. Works beautifully. That is all I have for today. The links for these remotes will be down in the description. And keep in mind, if it doesn't work for you, you can always return them. If this video has been helpful, please consider supporting the channel by subscribing and liking this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.